What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video. Today I am collaborating with Elemo Hair. They sent me over an HD 24-inch wig, and today I'm going to be trying a different look, a different vibe, a different swag. This look is inspired by Aaliyah J. She did like a mullet vibe, and we wanted to try it with this wig, so that's what we're gonna give today. Now, you guys already know that my favorite type of lace to work with is HD, and that's what this is, so I was very excited. But with this hairstyle, you can use transparent lace. It really doesn't matter because the band covers up most of it. Now, I'm going in with my skin protectant and my bow hold, and it's no shade. I be telling y'all need to stop skipping over that skin protectant. Y'all need to put that skin protect on y'all skin so that it's not burning, so that you don't have no rashes, discoloration, scabs. Y'all be going through it because y'all don't use no skin protectant, no shade. But yeah, anyways, so this install was I only used Boho Active, and I did about 2-3 layers because once again we were going for a bang look, and the lace wasn't the number one focus. It was really more the styling with the wig. So I didn't really go too crazy with the layers because I knew the wig was gonna hold regardless. So now I'm just applying the scalp. It's not a lace, it's a scalp. And this install was very, very, very interesting. And it was trial and error because we watched the YouTube video, we saw the TikTok trends with the ponytails and the cutting, and it just, I don't know, like it was just a lot. So y'all have to really like just trust the process with this type of stuff. Like, you ain't gonna know till you do it. And like I said in previous videos, when you're using that eyebrow razor to cut the lace, you want to make sure that you're not cutting too far back. So you want to make sure you're cutting a little bit above where the glue is and not right exactly where the glue stops, because you don't want to give it like a, oh Lord, I cut too far back, now it's going to be sticky and messy. No, it doesn't give that. So just be careful when you're using these eyebrow razors, especially when it's a fresh, sharp one. So now I'm just putting this wig into a ponytail. We saw Aaliyah J do it in her YouTube video. She did the ponytail, and then she did like 2 more ponytails within that ponytail, and then she just started cutting, and that's what we did. And then after that, I just went in with my razor comb and just pretty much eyeballed it. But yeah, just follow along, child. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so this part is so funny to me because when we were doing it, she just kept like scaring me. She kept like, I don't know, we was so nervous doing this. So we was just both psyching each other out. But don't be scared. Like, if you know you wanted this look, just do the cut. It's not that deep. And really, y'all could have cut lower than I did. I guess we was just being scary. And a lot of people, they go back and do the ponytail again and cut lower. Child, I ain't had time. I wasn't doing all that. I said, oh, I know how to cut a little bit. So I just started going in with my razor comb and I just eyeballed it. And I was like, you're going to get a mullet today. And that's how I ended up getting my end results. But the ponytail was a good, start off guide to get you in the right direction. But if you kind of already know how to like do layers and stuff, then it's pretty self-explanatory, like short at the top, long at the bottom, period. And can we just get into this HD lace? Like, I know we not really showing like baby hairs or nothing in this video, but when I did this middle part, it just made the hairstyle look so realistic. Like, I don't know, like it's just something about this lace that is just everything to me. Shout out to Elemo. So now here comes the eyeballing, the freeballing, not freeballing, the freestyling that I was talking about, as far as me just going in with my razor comb and just creating layers, creating dimension, trying to make that mullet look. So I'm doing heavy layers at the top, then I'm gradually like going down, but I'm not putting too much pressure when I get towards the bottom because I don't want the bottom to be short as well. I want the bottom to be long. So I'm basically layering the top and the front. I'm framing the face in the front too. My biggest fear with doing the bang was cutting them too short. So I started off real long, and I said, well, fuck it, I'm gonna just gradually go up because I don't want it to be too short and then it look crazy. That would really mess up the look. Like, the bangs aren't too long, but they're not too short either. And at this very moment, what you see is too long. So I'm like gradually cutting, trimming. But I didn't just go in and say, okay, I'm gonna cut it right here. Because I was too scared of making them too short. And shout out to my curling iron, E-Heat. This curling iron is everything. And even though I ended up curling the curls too tight for this specific look, the curling iron still gave me that body and volume that I needed in the end, like in the long haul. So now I finally mustered up some courage to cut these bangs a little shorter. Y'all can see Gabby doubting me a little bit. Look at her face. So scared. So scared. No faith. Like, she had no faith in the bitch. Like, what the hell? But no. So we gradually cut shorter and shorter. They still too long. And she laughing at me. That's why she... But yeah, ignore her. Now I had the bright idea to wrap the hair because I was like, maybe if we wrap it like a silk press, it'll give like 80s vibes when we take it out from being wrapped. But she just thought this was the most hilarious thing in the world. So, and it ended up not really working out. It still looked crazy. But like I said, this is trial and error. So after taking it out of the bonnet, this is what we had. And by this point, I'm getting frustrated because it's just too curly. Like, I didn't want it to look too curly. And it's like, it almost it almost could have went for like that, you know, that 70s thing everybody was doing, but I just couldn't get into it. So now I think somebody on live told me get the bristle brush, and I was like, okay, fuck it. I'm gonna try to blow out the bangs because the bangs were so straight. Because I used a mini flat iron on the bangs, and it was so straight, and it had no body. So I was like, okay, let me just use the blow dryer and the brush, and it kind of helped. It did kind of help, no shade, but I was still just trying to figure out what I needed to do. Then I said, okay, now I'm finna cut these bangs. I'm tired of it. Like, it's too long. It is what it is. And now you see me cutting with a little more, you know, a little more pep in my step, a little more. I'm doing it with my chest now. But I don't know. This is really a process of a bunch of error. Now I'm just blowing it out some more. Now the bang has a little bounce to it. So the bristle brush helped me get the bang, the bounce that I wanted. It helped me get the bounce that I needed. Now I don't know what I'm trying to do with this blow dryer, child. I don't even know. That's why she keep laughing at me. But oh, okay. So now I think I see what I was trying to do. I was trying to get the curl out and make it more like a rock star wave, you know. So that's an imperfect look. So you have to like go through some trials to get that. Now I'm trying to make the bang to where it's not so bumpy and bushy in her face. I kind of wanted it to have like a little, you know, part crease in the, you know, in the middle, like just to give it like that. Oh yeah, this is like an effortless bang, not a forced bang. I didn't want the bang to look too perfect, child. But something I do in the end helps with that. Now I'm straightening the ends with my Baby Bliss flat iron. This helped a lot too, because you know, it's kind of like that rock star vibe where they curl half the hair and the ends be straight. It's just, I can't explain it, but it gave. Here I go curling some more just to get the curl right out. I don't know. I was all over the place with the process, but I'm showing you guys the process, and y'all can take what y'all need to take from it. I don't know. So by this point, Gabby's like, okay, take the black thing off so we can see it better. And it started to honestly come together. Like, I got into it a little bit more. It's like I had to curl it, straighten it, blow it out, recurl it, straighten the ends, make it messy, and yeah, add some more layers, cut some more, and that's all it took to get this. Not that much work. It was just a little bit. Ugh, this was so much, y'all. Like, this style was so cute and fun in the end, but the process was nerve-wracking. I kept feeling like I was messing up. Then I just said, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna just vibe out. I'm gonna just do it the rock star way, and it worked out for me. I did some hairspray, I played with it, and you know, we got what we got in the end. Y'all, look how fake she is. Now she's trying to act like she's getting into it. But this whole process, she was discouraging me, making me just nervous. But anyways, y'all. So this part helped a lot. You always want to frame your face. With any style that involves cutting, you have to frame the face because it just tells the story. Okay, this part is what ended up helping me so much, and I didn't even realize it, because separating the bangs so she can do her makeup ended up creating that perfect outcome in the end. So shout out to my model, Jeannie Gal. She killed this look. Shout out to Elemo Hair for sending me this HD wig. It's everything. 10 out of 10 as far as I'm concerned. All the information for this wig will be in my description box, and the information for the adhesive, as well as all me and Gabby's social media. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and it's no shade, period.